Hello friends, how are you? Everybody, welcome to my new update video. Today I solve a quadratic equation. Here is given that x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We find out a value of x. Let's go start. Solution. Here given that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We multiply the both sides by a. We can write a into ax square plus abx plus ac is equal to 0. We know that a formula here a plus b all square is equal to a square plus b 2ab plus b square. Here we use this formula, so we can write a square x square plus abx plus ac is equal to 0. We write here a right side of this formula, so we can write ax all square plus formulas 2 and ax into b by 2 plus b by 2 all square is equal to b by 2 all square, and ac transform from left side to right side, so we can write ac. Okay, and now we can write the left side as ax plus b by 2 all square. Okay friends, and here right side we can write b square by 4 minus ac. Okay, and ax plus b by 2 all square, we simplify this by 4 b square minus 4ac. Okay, and we square root of both sides here is plus minus, so square and root cancel. Ax plus b by 2 is equal to plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2. Okay, next we can write ax plus b by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to minus b by 2 plus minus root over b square minus 4 ac by 2. Okay, here b by 2 cancel, and here ax is equal to again we simplify the right side to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac. Okay, and now we divided both sides by x. Can write a minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2 into a. Here a and a is cancelled, so we can write x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. Okay, this is the final solution of this equation. Here the value of x is 2 value and x1 is minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a, and x2 is equal to minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. So there is final value of this equation. Everybody, if you benefited by this video, please subscribe my channel, and you have any problem, please comment. Okay, thank you.